Yeah, these wipes, we literally use them for everything. We used to use the natural care ones, and I kind of like these better actually. They're not nearly as, like, I don't know, I can wipe the kids' faces without them, like, getting upset that it's hurting their skin or anything. I honestly use these for cleaning wipes around the kitchen and in the bathroom. They're pretty thick. I mean, you can really, yeah, they're pretty thick. I use them all the time. They don't really have that much of a smell to them, which I guess I prefer personally.